Oh, look at this angelic creation. Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best khichdi, India's ultimate comfort food. Loaded with protein, it's a simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious dish. Let's get it. In a hot pan here, I'm going to start off with some ghee. Once the ghee is melted and hot, I'm going to drop in our cumin seeds. Add a bay leaf for some great aromatics and flavor, some ginger paste, diced onions, and green chilies. And give this a quick saute until the chilies blister and the onions start to sweat. To add a little spice to our khichdi, I'm going to start off with a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and a bit of hing or asafetida. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious khichdi at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep seeing more delicious recipes. Once our spices have a chance to bloom, I'm going to add in rice that I've already washed and drained. To this, I'm going to add in equal parts of moong dal. Today I'm using whole green moong. You can of course use split yellow or green moong or even a combination of both. And lastly, some water. For 1 part rice and 1 part moong, I'm using 3 parts water, but you can use more if you want it a bit more runny. Give this a quick stir. You want to taste it here for salt and your seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to pressure cook this for 2 whistles for a good consistency, which I think is ideal, or 4 to 5 whistles if you want it a bit more runny. You can also cook this in an instant pot or just on the stove top for about 20 minutes on medium or until the rice is done. And I'm just going to let this cool, and there you have it, folks, khichdi.